Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video. So in my last video, my wash day routine video, if you haven't seen it, you should definitely check it out. I'll leave it linked above and also down below. In that video, I did a review on the products that I use on my hair. I showed you guys my wash day routine in the shower, and I also showed you guys my results from the twist out using those products. So I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a review on the Melanin Hair Care line by Naptural85, and I want to say everyone said that they want to see a review, which I was expecting. So today I'm going to be reviewing their oil. You guys know how I feel about this already, but I'll go into a bit more detail about it. And then I have the Twist Elongating Style Cream, which I've never tried before, so we're gonna see how this works on my hair. My hair under this is the same twist out from that video, which was like 4 days ago. I'm wearing my bonnet. This is what I use to maintain my hair at night, because some of you guys are wondering about that. I do have a video. So this bonnet, I do have a link for it if you guys are interested in one. Link is down below as well. So underneath here, my hair is gonna look really bad because it's really old. So it's really poofy and not as defined, as you can kind of see in some areas, not as defined. Some of you guys were wondering how long my hair is. Can you see? I definitely feel like I have to flat iron it in order to really see how long it really is. I don't know if I'm waist length. I feel like I probably am, you know. Alright, let's just try this. I think I should apply a little bit of water, just because my hair is a little bit dry, and also this line does not come with a leave-in, right? It's just 2 products she has. Yeah, I think so. So I'm just gonna spray just a little bit of water just because my hair is on the dry side. Taking a spray bottle. Okay, I'm not soaking my hair down, and also this is being done on blow-dried hair. I may come back and try it on wet hair one day. Let's see how I like it, and then I'll go from there. But okay, so we got that. Now going in with the actual Twisting Elongating Style Cream. First things first, I'm gonna smell it. Smells like shea butter. It actually has a milder scent than shea butter because it's mixed with other ingredients. Looking inside the container, it looks really thick to me. Touching it, it's really thick, which makes me a little bit nervous because I have low porosity hair. Some of you guys were wondering that. I have low porosity hair, so this makes me a little nervous, but I'm not gonna knock it. I'm gonna just try it. So I have a small amount in my hand, and I'm gonna start with a small amount just because I don't know how this is going to be for my hair. Oh, it melts. Okay, so let me add a little bit more. So it does, initially it's thick, but once you kind of rub it into your hands, it melts. Okay, so that's different. That is different. All right, let's apply this. From the reviews that I've seen, everyone that I've watched loves this cream. So I'm hoping that I like it too, because I bought 2 of them, and you guys already heard what I said about shipping. Shipping was an arm and a leg to Canada, so I'm really hoping that I like this, because that's gonna suck. I might just have to pass it on to someone. Okay, so to be honest, it melts into something extremely light. Lighter than my can 2 that I love, which is very odd because that's already light. So this is just melting into like nothing, which is different. Okay. I feel like I'm not really putting any product on my hair. I keep going back in. I've already dipped my hand in like about 4 times already because it's so light. But we're not gonna knock it. We're gonna keep going. You won't really know until your hair dries how it really works. But so far it feels okay. So that's what my hair looks like. And now I'm gonna go in with the oil. And I did about a 1/4 size amount. Splitting this section into 2, apply it down to the ends, and then now it's time to really work it in. So the smell of the oil, I told you guys this before, the smell of the oil is really, really nice. The oil itself is really light, which I personally really love. Some people who have maybe high porosity hair may not be a fan of this oil and maybe a little bit too light for you. If you don't know what porosity you have, that's a whole nother video. But I do have videos on porosity. I'll link them down below. I feel like this might be too big to just twist by itself. I may have to put this into two. So I'm going to split it into two because I think it's a little bit too big. So let's do it in two. So I'm sure most of you guys know how to twist. You just put the hair into two and you twist it. This is gonna be a long video. My plan was not to do them so big, but my hair is so thick, I kind of have to go small. Small for me, because for some of you guys, this may still be very big. Because I know a lot of you guys were commenting on how thin or fine your hair is compared to mine. I know I have a lot of hair. Sometimes I wish I didn't have so much because it honestly can be a lot. It really can. Alright, so that twist is done. So let's go on. Ooh, my hair looks good though. Let me come in closer. My hair looks really shiny. You guys probably can't really see it, but my hair looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up most of my hair and I'll come back and show you guys a few more twists. So this is what my hair looks like, and I want to bring a little guest on. Oh, you can't even see him. Hold on, let me turn him around. My little guest. Where can you see him? I'm gonna feed him in a bit, but there he is. Let me know if you guys want to see a little tutorial on how I do his hair. You can see. Whoop! You spit that right out. Look, say hi. Does he look like me? I think he looks like his dad. But yeah, there he is. Say hi. I gotta do a month update. I want to do monthly updates on him on this channel. Since I documented my pregnancy, I might as well document his growth as well. But enough about him, back to me. So this is what my hair looks like. I think I did about 20 twists in total. Yeah, didn't take too long to do actually. And my thoughts right now on the products. My hair looks pretty good. It's nice and shiny. It smells good. But I will come back tomorrow. Not tomorrow, I'm gonna come back in 2 days. I want this to really set. So I'll come back in about 2 days and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. So far so good. I'm liking everything that I used. Yeah, we'll see how this actually works out. I'm hoping that I really like my results because this was kind of expensive. Alright, so it's been about, I want to say about 3 days since I've had these twists in. So I'm going to be sharing my final thoughts on the products that I used and also showing you guys what my twist out looks like. I'm hoping that it looks good. So I'm wearing this jumbo bonnet. I've had it for about maybe 3 years or so. I'll put a link down below in case you guys want one. How I've been wearing my hair since it's been away for 3 days. I've been wearing like a little barrette hat. I'll try and insert a photo of what that looks like. And that's pretty much how I've been rocking my hair. I'm going to put a little bit of oil. I'm going to put a little bit in my hand, about a quarter size amount. I'm going to apply that all over this side of my head. Alright, so let's do this. I'm going to come in a little bit closer. And let's see how this looks. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. So this is what the definition looks like so far. I'm definitely going to have to separate since I did these twists a little bit bigger than my last tutorial. So I'm just going to look for where they're trying to separate on their own, like right here. You want to be very careful or you're going to end up with a whole lot of frizz. Alright. So I don't mind, you know, a bit of frizz, but you know, not too much. So I'm just gonna do a few for you guys and then I'll come back. So I'm kind of splitting it where it wants to split on its own, and if I see a little frizz, I'll just coil it around my fingers. So you can see how it's looking. There definitely is some frizz in some areas, like back here, but still not bad. I probably was maybe not heavy-handed enough with the twisting, elongating twist butter thing. I should have put a little bit more product in my hair. I wasn't sure how my hair would react to it because of my hair type being low porosity, but it's not too bad. So I didn't separate the front more than the back because the twists in the front were a little bit smaller, and I kind of like how that looks. This is how I should have did all my twists, but I didn't. Anyways, I found one more. So this is what it's looking like from this side. It feels really good. I will say that it feels really good. All right, I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna go ahead, come off camera, and I'm gonna do this side of my head and show you guys the final results. But right now, just looking at it, what do you guys think? Seeing half of my hair, what do you guys think so far? I think so far it looks really good, but let's see how the other side turned out. Alright, so these are my final results from using the products. I went ahead and separated a little bit more in the front right here because they were looking a little bit too chunky. But I like it. I really do like it. There might be a few pieces that are a little bit too fat, like this one is huge. But anyways, this is what it's looking like. My hair feels good, it smells good, looks pretty good. Let's see if I can think of any cons. The only thing that doesn't look good right now is my hairline. Let me see if I can try and fix that. I don't want to really put gel on it because I don't know how these products will react with gel. So you guys let me know down below what you guys think of my hair. Do you guys like it more than the last one you saw, or do you like the other one better? Let me know down below. And also let me know if you guys have tried these products. So final review. So starting off with the style cream, the smell of it isn't very fruity. I'm a fruity kind of person. I love things that smell really sweet. This smells more like shea butter, so I'm not a huge fan of the smell, but the oil makes up for where this lacks in a great smell. The oil smells really, really good. So you have these two together, you don't have to worry about this not having much of a smell. The texture and the consistency of this is really different. If you guys remember in the previous footage, I was telling you that it's so thick when you first apply it to your hand, but once you start rubbing it into your fingers, it just melts. And it almost melts into nothing. So I found myself having to go back in and add more and add more and add more. That may be a good thing for some people, that may not be a good thing depending on what your hair likes. I was afraid that this was going to be too thick for my hair because I do have low porosity hair, and low porosity hair tends to like things that are very thin. So I'm kind of glad that this kind of turned into a thinner product. I'm a little bit on the fence about that, but I will give it a 4 out of 5 when it comes to texture and consistency because I kind of like that it felt really like a mousse in my hand, which is different. Price, I don't remember what the price was, but honestly, I didn't really care too much about the price. I just wanted to support and I really wanted to try it out. So out of 5, I would give this product a 4. My hair does feel really, really good. It looks really nice as well. I definitely want to try this again, but on wet hair versus, you know, hair that was already styled and then, you know, using this product. But I will say that my hair before applying the product was definitely on the dry side. It was already about 4 or 5 days old, and this did a really good job with putting that moisture back in my hair. So I do like this, and I'm glad that I got 2 so I don't have to go out and buy another one. Next we have the oil. This is the last product. The oil, the multi-use pure oil blend, has really great oils in it. It smells really nice. It's lightweight. I've told you guys this before. I love lightweight oils. I love products that smell fruity and just have a really strong scent, whether it's fruit or floral or perfume. I love products that smell good because I want my hair to smell good, right? I don't want anything that does not have a smell in my hair. Anyways, that's just me. So the oil, a little bit goes a long way. So you guys can see I've used this oil maybe 3 times now, and this is the amount that I've used up so far. I can say that this oil will last me a few months as well. I really love it. I love the fact that it comes in an applicator bottle. Makes it easy to get to your scalp if you want to do a hot oil treatment or a scalp massage. I love how easy it is to pour it into your hand. It doesn't come out in like a huge glop. You can really control how much comes out, which I like. I don't remember the price of it. Again, pricing wasn't a huge issue, only the shipping. But yeah, I like it. So you guys already know I like this. I'll give this a 5 out of 5. I love oil. And yeah, so overall, Naptural85's products worked really well with my hair. And again, I want to try it with wet hair, freshly washed hair, and see how it works. My only issue about doing it on wet hair is that this line doesn't come with a leave-in, and I am a leave-in girl. I love using a leave-in first. My leave-in is like my detangler, so without that, I'm a little bit on the fence of how I'm gonna do my next review on these products, but I'm gonna try and figure it out. But anyways, so you guys can see how my hair is looking. Has a really good stretch. It did shrink up just a teensy bit because I did apply some water to my hair first, then applied those products. So my hair did shrink a little bit. It's nice and fluffy. It's lightweight. It smells good. It has a bit of a shine to it. Probably should have added a little bit more oil, but it's my first time using it, so I wasn't too sure how things were going to turn out. So I'll show you guys how it looks from the side. And then you guys can see the front. Bring it forward. This is it from the front. And then there is a bit of frizz right here. You guys can probably see it. Because I think next time I'm going to start putting perm rods on the ends of my twist. Because clearly this frizziness I'm not liking. Okay, so then the other side. And then the back, my fiance was just telling me that the back it's a little flat because I didn't put a twist directly in the center. I know a lot of you guys were saying, oh, your hair looks fine, because I said in the last video my hair looks jacked up. But so he was saying right here is a little flat, but it's okay. I can kind of go like this and work with it. I'll have to see how it looks in the mirror, but I can't really see. It's so hard to see what it looks like, but that's what it looks like. You guys can see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys would like me to try out more products, let me know down below, and I'll try and do my best to get my hands on them. Yeah, so hopefully you guys liked it and you like my hair. And if you haven't tried these out and you're planning on trying them out, let me know down below as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.